In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcode in WordPress. Shortcodes can be incredibly useful tools for making your WordPress site more dynamic without requiring you to dabble in complex coding. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, adding shortcodes can significantly enrich your site. So let's dive into the process step by step. We'll begin by navigating to the WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find the dashboard on your left menu. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll control most of your site's features and configurations. Next, focus on the WP Forms plugin. WP Forms is a great tool for creating forms such as contact pages using shortcodes. If you haven't installed it yet, I recommend doing so because it's both user-friendly and versatile. Once installed, locate WP Forms in the dashboard menu and click on it to proceed. You'll notice a list of forms you can create or have already created. For our example, let's use a contact form. Once you've selected or created your desired form, locate the shortcode for that form. It will look something like this: Dua Forms ID quantity 5. Go ahead and copy that shortcode, as we'll need it in the upcoming steps. The next step involves going to your WordPress pages. Click on Pages in the dashboard menu to view all the pages on your site. Suppose you have a contact page where you want to place this form. Open that page by clicking on Edit. Now, you're in the page editor, where any content modifications can be made. With the page editor open, look for the plus sign, which lets you add new blocks. Click on it and a menu will appear with various options, one of which is Shortcode. Click on Shortcode to open a new block specifically for this purpose. In this shortcode block, simply paste the shortcode that you copied earlier. Make sure there are no additional spaces or characters, as this could disrupt the shortcode functionality. Once pasted, double-check everything looks correct and, when you're ready, click Save or Update to preserve your changes. Finally, there's one more crucial step: preview the changes. Click View Page to see the actual result on your live site. As you visit the page, you should see the contact form displayed exactly where you placed the shortcode. If everything looks good, then congratulations. You've successfully added a shortcode to your WordPress site. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for your WordPress journey. With shortcodes, customizing your site becomes much more straightforward, giving you creative freedom without the barrier of coding. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore other ways of using shortcodes to enhance your site.